Okay, y'all, here go my 36 with a close-up. A close-up on my 36. This is my 36, this is number 5. I'm just showing y'all that they all go, they all look the same, different years. But they all got the same lust. They all look the same, but they all different years, but they got that same lust, that gold thick lust. Like they hit this penny like 4 times with the die or something. I don't know. But I know these pennies, they got some coating on them though. They thick. Look at that. Look at that. Watch this. Look, watch this. Watch. I'm gonna bring it around. Right there. Look. The reflection. Just the lust. Yep, just the lust. 1936. Make sure y'all see that 36 on there. 1936. 1936. Y'all see it? It's 1936. NMM mark. Now watch me flip it. It's a waiting. It's a waiting penny. 1936. Look, all gold. There's number 5. Watch me flip it the other way. Look at that. All gold. And watch me walk around it. Look at that. Look, close up. And do a close up. And do the close up. All gold. Back, flip. All gold. 1936. Yep, 1936, y'all. It's number 5.